Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to change the oil of your car right in your garage and using basic hand tools. To do that, here are the tools that we're gonna need. First, the oil filter remover, the socket wrench, an extension in case you need it, a 24mm socket wrench to remove the housing of the oil filter, and a 17mm socket wrench to remove the oil pan plug. And of course, here are the brand new oil that we're gonna use. Make sure you have the correct API and SAE viscosity that can be found at the user's manual of your car. Jack up your car to get an easy access under your car. And for safety, use a jack stand to support your car. You can also check the manual of your car to know the proper spot of your jack stand. Usually, you can find this little indentation, and this is the common proper spot for your jack stand. Okay guys, behind your car, locate the drain plug of your oil pan, which in this case, this one. And then after that, we drain the oil from here once we unplug these bolts. And then after that, we must also unplug this oil filter housing so that we can replace the oil filter that is inside this housing. To unplug this, we need a 17mm socket wrench. Before you unplug this drain plug, make sure you have your oil pan ready so that when you remove this plug, the oil will directly drip out of this pan. Like that. And then wait for about couple of hours so that the oil will totally drain out. Though if you are in a hurry, once you can see that the oil are gone out, you can immediately replace the drain plug and then proceed to the next step. But in my case, since I'm just doing this at home with my free time, I'm waiting about a couple of hours before I put the new oil so that I make sure that the dirty and oil is being removed from the system of my car. Once the oil is completely drained, the next is we have to replace the oil filter that is located here. This is the housing of the oil filter. So to replace the oil filter, we have to unscrew this using a 6mm Allen wrench. Make sure that before you unscrew this, you have your oil pan ready because there might be some oil that will drip out from the oil filter. That's it. Just wait when the oil is completely drained from the oil filter housing, and then we're gonna use a 24mm socket wrench to remove the cover of the oil filter housing. Okay guys, let's loosen up the oil filter housing using a 24mm socket wrench to replace the oil filter. Okay guys, next to replace the oil filter, and of course the rubber seal that is included in the new oil filter. So the rubber seal should be replaced from here, and then the other one in the drain plug. It is also a good practice to lubricate things rubber seal with a brand new oil so that it will not stick up in the long run. Then after that, we can put on this new oil filter. There you go. Okay, the next is that we put back the drain plug in the oil pan, and before that it is advisable to wipe out any excess oil. Okay. Okay, guys, please do not over tighten the oil plug because it might cause some further damage if you do that. Just give it a rightful amount of tightness. Okay, once we've done replacing the oil filter, and then we will place the drain plug from the oil pan, it is now time to put the brand new oil. Okay guys, next now is to remove the jack stand, and then we can now refill the brand new oil. Okay guys, this is now the final step in changing the oil of your vehicle. So we will now refill the brand new oil in this car. For this specific car, it requires 6.7 liters on it. Okay guys, we are now in the final step in changing our engine oil, and that is of course to fill in the brand new oil. To make sure that you're going to fill in the exact liters or how many liters in your car, you can check the owner's manual and see of how many liters that requires in your car. For this KIA Sorento CRDi 2013, it requires 6.7 liters on it. Alright, let's measure the oil again. Okay guys, see, our measurement is about full to middle of the full level. So this is the ideal measurement whenever you change your oil, whenever you check the level of your engine oil. Alright guys, that's all, and that's how you change the engine oil of your car. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.